Hi, hello everyone. How are you today? Are you okay? Or KO? Okay? Or KO? I am okay. I hope you are okay too. Welcome to this new English lesson for math subject. I know I told you last week that this week, we will be able to meet together at the school, but as you see, it was not possible. So here we are in another new video for you, for your contents. You can follow with the explanation in your book. And today we have many interesting things for you. Okay, first of all, we have a new unit. So yeah, we will have, as always, new vocabulary and new contents. After, we will make some activities together at the book. And finally, I will give you some homework to check your skills. First of all, so let's start with new vocabulary, okay? New vocabulary for this unit. In this unit, we are talking about addition and subtraction, operations and word problems. But today we are talking specifically or especially about additions, okay? So I have actually 5 words for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 new words for you that I want you to keep in mind. I want you to memorize because we are going to use very often, okay? The first word is the easiest. First word, can you repeat with me, please? Addition. Addition. Okay, very good. Addition. Addition is that operation, okay, when, for example, we use this symbol, okay, a plus symbol, and is for adding numbers, okay? So the number is always increasing, never decreasing, okay? The result of the addition. And as you know, for example, I'll prepare some example. For example, this 2 plus 3. This is how to read an addition, okay? 2 plus 3. Then equals and then the sum, the result, okay? So can you solve in your mind 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, this is an example of addition. Okay, second word, I want you to keep in mind, I want you to memorize. Carry over. Carry over. Carry over. Okay, very good. Carry over. You see there are 2 words, okay? This is an expression, as a composed word. So we have 2 words, carry over, okay? Carry over. What does it mean, carry over? It has many meanings, many different meanings, but today and during this unit, when we use the word or this expression carry over, okay, it means to take something. For example, this is a pen, okay, a blue pen. So if this pen is here and I want you to put in the top of my head, okay, I will take the pen and carry the pen over my head, and then I will put here, okay, like this. But this action, okay, to take the pen and move the pen from here to the top of my head, we call it carry over, to transport something from a start place to a final place, okay? Specifically when we are going up, 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 okay? This is carry over, and in math, we use this expression to carry a number, okay, in the top of the operation. After you will see some examples. So we got already addition and carry over. Third word, repeat with me, please. Regrouping. Regrouping. One more time. Regrouping. Okay, perfect. What is to regroup something? What is regrouping? Regrouping is when we have a group of something. For example, I have a group of fingers in my hand. This is my left hand, and here I have a group of fingers. How many fingers do I have in this group of fingers? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers, right? This is the same group because all of them are in the same hand, but I can regroup. It means that I will destroy this group and I will make, for example, 2 or 3 different groups. For example, I can do this. Okay, before I had a group of 5 fingers, and now I have 2 groups. One group of 1, 2 fingers, this group, see, this is a group, and I have another group of 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. Different groups, but same number. Okay, finally we have 5. Okay, we're still having 5. So this is to regrouping, to broke a group and regrouping. Okay, we are going to use this word in addition. So we got addition, carryover, and regrouping. Okay, and now we have 2 words with opposite meanings. Okay, word number 4 is with. Can you repeat with me, please? With. And number 5, without. Okay, with and without. Okay, for example, we are going to talk about addition with regrouping and without regrouping. It means that when we are next to something, when we own something, we say we are with something or somebody. If we don't own that, if we are not next to that, if we don't have that, we say we are without something. For example, I live with my wife, but because my wife is living with me in the same house. But if I'm living here in my house and my wife or my husband or my boyfriend, my girlfriend is living outside of my house, I can say, I'm living without my wife, with my wife, without my wife, with my boyfriend, without my boyfriend. Okay, this is the difference between without and with. Okay, so 5 words. Finally, we got 5 words. We got addition, carryover, regrouping, with, without. Okay. Now let's go to our book and let's start talking about addition. Okay, I want you to open your book, please. Page number 104. Okay, I will show you here so you can follow my explanation. Here we are, 104. Here we talk about adding numbers with the sum 1000 or less. Okay, and here we have an addition. We are not reading the word problem because I don't want this video to take so long, but here there is an addition operation. Can you read with me, please? 245 plus 431 equals Okay, this is a number sentence, so we still don't know. How to do this addition? I want you to look this example. Okay, here we have 3 steps for an addition. This is without regrouping. What does it mean that this addition without regrouping? It means that each place, the sum of each place in these additions are always less than 10. Okay, so we don't need to carry numbers over or regrouping. So let's check. Okay, here we have 3, as you know, 3 places. Ones place, here we have number 5 and number 1, okay, in ones place. Then we have tens place, so we have number 4 and number 3, okay, number 4 and number 3. And after we have hundreds place, so we have number 2 and number 4. So we are adding each number with the other number in the same place. Okay, you know already these number places, so this is not new for you. Step number 1, follow my reading, please. 5 ones plus 1 ones equals 6 ones. So write 6 in ones place. Exactly, we take the 2 numbers in ones place, they are 5 and 1, and we make the addition. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you write number 6. Next, tens place. In tens place, we got number 4 and number 3. So we say, read with me, please. 4 tens plus 3 tens equals 7 tens. So we write 7 in tens place. As you see here, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, 4 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, perfect. So we are almost finished. Now we go to hundreds place. Okay, hundreds place. Here you have. In hundreds place we have 2 and 4. So read with me, please. 2 hundreds plus 4 hundreds equals 6 hundreds. Write 6 in hundreds place. Okay, so that's it. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So the final answer is 6 hundreds, 7 tens, and 6 ones. Or here we have 676. Okay. In addition, it doesn't matter if we write the greatest number on the top or below. Okay, we can write 431 in the top and 245 below. Okay, we can switch the position of these 2 numbers and we will get the same result. In addition, there is no problem with that. Okay, so as you see here, let's read the speaking pencil, please. The speaking pencil is telling important things to us all the time. So let's read together, please. When we add 2 numbers with the sum 1000 or less without regrouping, add the digits of each place. Okay, so that's what I have explained you already. Okay, we split the numbers in places and we put together in the same group. This is a group. Ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. And we are always to get the right answer for our addition. Okay. Perfect. This is really easy. I think you can, all of you, do it without my help. So we can move on. We can continue. Okay. What happens when we have additions with regrouping? Let me explain you. Now I want you to go in your book to the page number 106. Okay. Or 107. The example in the 107 is clearer. Okay, so we go to the page 107. I'll show you here in the screen. Okay, here we are, 107, page 107. And here we have an addition that is 572 plus 367, which equals, okay, we still don't know. So we do the same. We split the numbers in 3 groups. Okay, ones place, so we got 2 and 7. Tens place, that we got 7 and 6. And hundreds, that we got 5 and 3. And we do the same than before, but there is a difference. Now, let's see. In ones place, we got 2 ones plus 7 ones equals 9 ones. Write 9 in the ones place. For the first group, there is any difference. Okay, no difference because 9 is less than 10. So we write 2 plus 2 plus 7 equals 9. Now let's move on. Tens place. What happens here in tens place? Let's check out. 7 tens plus 6 tens equals 13 tens. Okay, here there is a problem because we have just one space to fill a number, and we have a number with 2 digits. 13 has 2 digits, 1 and 3. So we cannot write 13 in tens place. We have to choose just one number. How to do it? Let's continue with the reading. 13 tens is regrouped as 103 tens. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, that's regrouping. We are supposed to write the number 1 here, okay, next to number 3, but we can't do that. Okay, so what should we do? Number 1 goes in hundreds place, and number 3 still in tens place. As you see here, we carry over. It's supposed to be here, so we take it, same than the pen before in the example, and we carry it over number 5. We write here, small number 1. Okay, so now number 1 is in hundreds group, not in tens group. This is why we call it regrouping. Okay, now write 3 in tens place and carry over 100s to the hundreds place. That's we have done, okay? And finally, we got here 7 plus 6, 13. Number 3 still in tens place. Number 1, we move it in hundreds place. Finally, hundreds place. Okay, let's read the step 3. 500s plus 300s and 100s carry over equals 900. Okay, this is 5 plus 3 and plus 1 that we did the regrouping before equals 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So we write the number 9 in the hundreds place. So the final answer is, what is this number, please? Can you read it by yourself? 939. Okay, so finally, let's read please the speaking pencil. What is telling to us? When we add two numbers with regrouping, when the sum of the digits is a two-digit number, we carry over to the place on the left. Okay, that's it. Here we have a two-digit number, for example, 13, because it has 1 and 2 digits, you see? So one digit stays in the same place and one digit we carry over in the place on the left. This is our left. In this case is hundreds place. Okay, so really nice, really easy, right? Now, let's talk about what happens when we have more than two numbers. For example, we have 1 plus 2, there's no problem, we can do it. Or 7 plus 4, we can do it, no problem. But what about if we have, for example, 2 plus 3 plus 4? How to do that? Let's go to the book. I want you to open your book one more time and go to the page number 109. 109. Okay, here we have an example. I will show you here in my screen. Okay, here we have. So as you see here, this time let's read first. What is the speaking pencil telling to us? Let's read together, please. When we add three numbers, we may add the three numbers all at once, or we can also add two numbers first and then add the last number to the sum. Okay, so basically here is talking about different methods to do. Okay, my recommendation is to do it the shorter form you can, okay, because it's clearer. So same than before, we just take all the numbers in the same place. For example, ones place we got 1, 6, 4. Okay, so we got 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. Okay, so we write number 1 and we carry the number 1 into the left. Okay, carry over in tens place. And then we continue. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Okay, here we write number 6 and number 1 we carry over hundreds place. And now we finish. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, for me this is the simplest method you can use, okay, because this is a little bit confusing. You can easily get wrong. Okay, so it doesn't matter how many numbers we are adding, the key is to add the numbers in the same place, okay, and do the correct regrouping for all the sums. So that's all the explanations I have for you this week, okay? And as a homework, I want you to do 3 pages from the book, okay? Take notes, please. 3 pages from the book. Page number 105, 105, 108, 108, and 109, 109. 105, 108, 109. And I also want you to write the words that we have learned today in your notebook. Okay, we have learned 5 words. I hope you can write it correctly. Okay, if you don't, you can check out in your book or in the dictionary. Addition, carryover, regrouping, with, and without. 5 words. Okay, so you write in your notebook the date of the day you're working, then you write vocabulary, and then you write 5 words in English and the meaning in Thai, as always we do, okay, as always. The date, vocabulary, then 5 words, and then the meaning in Thai of these words. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you next week at the school, but you never knows. you never knows. Bye-bye. Have a good week. Stay safe. Bye-bye.